So hello there guys, Sam again with another video unboxing review. I just got a mail from USA directly from Colorado Springs from a company. It's called Giltek. If you follow me on Instagram, you can actually see I have already put on my stories some of their product. They make some utility knives, two different products with two different materials. The first one is with titanium and the other one is aluminum. So let's talk a little about their history. This is a small family run company from Colorado, as we already said, and they have put some really big effort on making and bringing you the best quality on this category. So I'm really happy that I have these products in my hands to show and share with you guys. And this is it. It came with all these stuff inside here. So this is the company, this is the logo. You can actually see also they have a little sticker on the outside, proudly made in USA. Okay, so this is, the first one is the Rook from Giltek, the titanium version. The next one is the aluminum version. This one comes in different colors also. I have the blue one in my hands, and of course I will put down below the links from their website and their Instagram. You can actually see they have some really nice stuff on their Instagram to share with you. This is the Rook S. Oh, okay, so they sent also some really nice stickers. Nice, really nice. These small details really matters on every single product I open. I love all these little stuff. Amazing. So thumbs up, even from here. Thumbs up, Giltek. And also they have included. Okay, so this one is, I think, for the belt clip. They sell also this one for their website, and it comes with every single hardware you will need, from bolts, even with the Allen key to screw everything in place. So let's start with the Rook S. Okay, so here we have the first one. Okay, so yeah, this is also a sticker. That's really nice to have some more stickers. I love stickers and patches. This is the first one. Focus. Use a Stanley utility blade. This is a standard blade one. On the back you can actually see the logo, Giltek logo on the back. Really nice finish. This one we have a little grip on the top, and on the back we have a little screw or push. You can actually open some bottles, I guess, with this one. Maybe, yeah. So how this one works? In that thin and really lightweight blade utility knife, you can actually see they have a really nice and unique mechanism. So on the back you can actually see this is a push metal on the blade. So by pressing on the inside you can actually see, and sliding all the way out you have the blade. It has two positions, so you can actually press it, one fully closed, two half open, and fully open is this one. So this one is really lightweight. I can't describe how this one feels. Also, if you want to take this out, if you want to change, for example, the blade, you just have to press it a little up and slide it all the way out. This is how we can actually change the blade on this one. Really nice and easy again. Don't know if you can actually see the mechanism on the top. This is a unibody. It has no joints, so you can see the thickness on this one is amazing. So big thumbs up to these guys over on Colorado for this awesome quality blade. And of course, a utility blade, you know, it actually cuts really with detail. You can actually see the cuttings on this one is amazing. And let's move on to the next one. So let's move on to the next one. This is the Rook version 2 titanium from Giltek. This one actually is made from titanium. Also the difference on the S version is that we have two plastic pieces on the bottom to secure the cutting blade is safe and unscratched. Also this one uses this is a Tajima VRX 2 utility blade. Of course this one has again a pry bar on the back or screwdriver if you want to use it as a screwdriver, and we have a fishing line cutting edge over here, and of course we have 1.4 a hex for drive bits place over here. So if you have any blade and any type of screws, you can actually secure them inside here. It's not attached correctly. Maybe if they could fit a little magnet would be the best, but yeah, we have that option too. And we have the plastic pins as we already said. This one again can be disassembled super easy if you want to change or maintain the blade. Push it all the way in from here, push it inside, slide it, and again you have to push from both sides to take out the blade. You can actually see the construction on this one, CNC machined everything, really nice quality. And yeah, again, if you want to put it inside, press on the back this metal clip over here, slide it in just like so, and it's now in place and ready to use. I accidentally put it yeah, just like that. Also we have a bottle opener over here. You can see this can actually open some beer bottles, and we have a little hole over here if you want to hang it on your keychain, for example, or you want to put a paracord on the back. Again, we have the grips on the top for better stability when cutting, and I can see that yeah, you can actually pass through. Okay, so let's put the clip, the belt clip. Seems really nice quality also. I am not using this one. So yeah, I love this aluminum. It's amazing. I really love this one. The build quality on this one is better, and you have more you have more things to do with this one, but I think the aluminum version is amazing, the S version. Let's take out everything. The Allen key, some screws, some different length screws. This is the metal piece that you can actually use over here on the back, and you can just secure it in place like so. So let's screw everything in place and see how it looks like. Okay, so I already screwed everything in place. You can actually see how it looks like with the belt clip on the back, pre-installed. Of course, we can access also the bits on the back. You don't screw anything. You have plenty of space. And again, you can actually cut fishing line on or a paracord over here. There's no way to put to accidentally slip your finger inside there. It's pretty difficult to push it all the way through. So yeah, thanks again Giltek for sending over these awesome products. I will definitely use every single one of them for my future reviews. I will also put directly one in my EDC backpack, and yeah, down below I will put all the links if you want to check everything out from their website. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.